In this section, let's discuss another common issue in FTTH networks, that is, ONU not registered in OLT. One of the most common issues in an FTTH network is the ONU not registering in the OLT. This problem prevents the customer from getting internet service as the ONU fails to establish communication with the OLT. Let's look at some of the possible reasons for this complaint. First one, optical power issues. Second one, ONU mode mismatch. Third one, serial number not changed for Huawei OLT. Let's discuss about optical power issues. Optical power is the strength of the light signal traveling through the fiber cable from the OLT to the ONU. For proper communication, the ONU must receive the signal within a specific power range. If the power is too low or completely absent, the ONU will not register in the OLT. Causes of optical power issues. Fiber cut or break, no signal reaches the ONU. Sharp bends in fiber, signal loss due to bending, micro bending. Dirty connectors, dust or dirt blocks light transmission. Loose or improper connections, signal leakage or interruption. Faulty patch cord or pigtail, damaged cable reduces signal strength. Splitter loss or fault, excessive loss in splitter affects signal level. Second one, ONU mode mismatch, EPON, GPON. In an FTTH network, both the OLT and ONU must operate on the same technology, either EPON or GPON. If there is a mismatch, the ONU will not register with the OLT. Most modern ONUs, ONTs are XPON, dual mode devices which support both EPON and GPON. How XPON works? XPON ONUs can automatically detect whether the connected OLT port is EPON or GPON. Once connected, the ONU auto switches the mode accordingly. During this process, the ONU may reboot automatically to apply the correct mode. When issue occurs, auto detection fails in some cases. ONU remains stuck in the wrong mode, EPON instead of GPON or vice versa. Firmware limitations or compatibility issues. Improper configuration or locked mode. Solution: manually change the ONU mode, EPON GPON. Reboot the ONU after mode change. Third one, serial number not changed for Huawei OLT. In Huawei OLT networks, the ONU must be registered using its serial number. If the serial number configured in the OLT does not match the actual ONU serial number, the ONU will not register. Solution: manually change the serial number or update the specific firmware. Reboot the ONU after mode change. Comparison with Netlink ONT. Huawei ONT serial numbers start with HWTC, while Netlink ONT starts with GPON00. This prefix identifies the vendor, and if it is not supported by the OLT, the ONU may not register.